A clogged dryer vent is a major fire risk and makes your dryer work much harder. To clean your dryer, first grab your cleaning supplies. You'll need a shop vac, utility brush, a vent cleaning kit, a screwdriver, safety gear, microfiber cloth, vent tape, and mold and mildew killer. To get started, unplug the dryer. If you have a gas dryer, turn off the gas supply and grab your mask and gloves. Pull the dryer out and loosen the metal clamp with a screwdriver to pull the vent hose off. Reach into the exhaust port on the back of the dryer. Clear out the big clumps by hand, then use your shop vac. Now move on to the wall duct and vacuum as far inside as you can reach. Head outside and remove the exterior vent hood. Clear out any lint so the flap can move freely. Use your flexible brush kit to get the deep stuff. Rotate the brush as you push it through the duct to loosen the buildup. Put everything back together. Secure the connections with metal tape and run an air dry cycle for 20 minutes. To keep it clean, just make sure you're clearing the lint screen before every single load. Regular cleaning improves safety and helps your dryer run more efficiently. For more tips and all the tools and supplies you'll need, visit us at the Home Depot.